Hello, hello, it is the Trading Captain. I'm currently sitting up $20.09 on the day. As you can see here, I took 6 trades today. Not that many. We've been in a colder market, and while Monday and Tuesday were warmer, Wednesday was a bit cooler, so I tried to throttle back a little while still getting some exposure. And this seems like a good approach today. So to start us off, I want to look at PLRZ. This was the stock I looked at going into the day, and we can see that on Tuesday we had a nice spike and it held. And then on Wednesday and after hours, we had another spike and hold. So I was really thinking that this would give more pressure to shorts. They would be less willing to engage aggressively into shorting stocks. But that wasn't really the case, and I want to show that here. So we have KITT. This was a stock we had moving. You can see this one got hammered pretty hard. We have EKSO. Again, hammered very hard on this one. We have LASE. Another one where it popped, then just sold off. And also worth noting too, a lot of these stocks that are selling off, they're not just going back to flat, right? They're going below the previous close. And like even with this one, like you can see this one's just been kind of bleeding off here. So HUBC, another one where again it sold off, did make a bit of a recovery, but we are trading lower than the previous close. And SLMT, where very, very nasty spike on this one. I tried trading this one as well, but ended up getting stopped out. A lot of these stocks today have just been very, very difficult to trade. We didn't have any good runners from what I could see, and they just weren't holding up. And the reality is that shorts are in a very dominant position right now, despite some stocks making big moves, and even the big moves are holding decently. But there's this kind of black and white scenario where either a stock goes up 100% and shorts respect it, or the stock is only up like 30% and shorts just hammer and hammer and hammer. And it's making it, quite frankly, a bit scary to go in with larger size on a lot of these trades. I've been really having to cut back on my sizing on a lot of these. But yeah, overall for the day, the plan is to keep this same sizing that I've had for the last few days, to really watch my exposure, to really watch for red flags, even to reduce size. Like in some cases, I was taking 1/8 size, which is very, very light. And that was really what I needed to do to protect me today. And if that's what works, then that's what I got to keep doing until this market improves. But yeah, that pretty much wraps up the recap. If you liked what you saw here, please do leave a like, helps me out. And I will be back tomorrow. Take care.